Real people, real cases. This is Verdict Watch.
On the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Michael Roach, 25467. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Adam Molak, P number 55741, appearing on behalf of Mr. Roach. State your name, sir.
Michael James Rhodes, Jr.
Okay, thank you. And today is the date scheduled for the preliminary examination of this matter. And counsel?
Your Honor, I've explained to Mr. Roach he has a statutory right to an exam and the burden the people must meet. At this point, he wishes to waive his right to his exam and have the case filed over.
All right, thank you. Mr. Medley, would you like to place your appearance on the record?
Yes, good afternoon. Good afternoon, Your Honor. This is Governor Natalie for the people, P number 87297.
All right, thank you. And Mr. Roach, you heard what your attorney placed on the record, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And you understand that you do have a right to have a preliminary examination, or must be shown that crime is committed and probable cause exists to charge you with that crime.
Yes, ma'am.
You also understand, sir, that by waiving your right to a preliminary examination, you will be bound over to circuit court for further proceedings on the charges in the complaint warrant.
Yes, ma'am.
And you've in fact received notice of those charges, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Has anybody promised you anything, threatened you, or coerced you in any way for you to waive your right to a preliminary examination?
No, ma'am.
All right, the court will note examination having been waived, defendants found over circuit court for further proceedings. You are to appear in circuit court on May 8th at 9 a.m. on the charges in the complaint warrant at the Third Circuit Court.
Your Honor, we would also like a strict reminder of what the no contact order means. The complainant has relayed to me that she's received an email through, I think he's been in custody, so I don't think it's from him, but it's certainly a third party saying that she was emailing her on behalf of the defendant, asking her not to go forward with this case. So we're just asking for just a strict reminder of what no contact means.
Who was the individual that was contacted, or that contacted the victim?
I can bring in the complainant. She preferred not to come in here, but I can bring her out if you would like, Your Honor.
Yeah, I would just like to get that information so that I know how to address it.
Judge, I would say I did discuss that with Mr. Roach. He's been locked up since this occurred. He has no idea who sent any kind of an email. It was not initiated by him.
Well, okay, just because your client is locked up doesn't mean he doesn't have access to
Correct.
items or the ability to contact individuals.
Correct.
So. No, not necessarily understand, but over by Mr. Natalie's fine. Hello, your name, please?
Raina Bain.
Okay, ma'am. Anne, can I have you please raise your right hand? You solemnly swear from the testimony you're about to give this matter to be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And Mr. Natalie made it known to the court that somebody had reached out to you
Yes.
about this case.
Yes.
And who was that person?
I only have their email address.
Okay. Okay.
They wrote, "Hey, don't need to bother you. My boyfriend is in jail with Michael. Michael wanted me to reach out to you. He said, don't go to court. He's facing 10 years or something, and he loves you so much."
Do you have a cellmate there, sir?
I have 7 of them.
Okay. Let me be very clear to you, sir, with you, sir. Very, very clear with you. There appears to be somebody that, but for you, would not have had Ms. Bain's contact information. It seems quite clear to the court that there was some communication by way of third or fourth party, whichever way you would like to slice it, to reach out to Ms. Bain in this manner. That is a violation of this court's bond order, sir. You are not allowed to direct anybody not even your priest or your religious person that you may have, to contact Ms. Bain. Am I clear on that?
Yes, ma'am.
Clearly, no pun intended, I was not clear enough at your arraignment. Whether or not you're facing significant years in prison is on the account of the allegations, on the acts that have been put forth in these allegations, sir. Not by way of Ms. Bain. And for somebody, some random person that she doesn't even know, to reach out to her and then reference that her boyfriend is locked up with you and to reach out for that. And then you want to tell this court that you have no idea what she's talking about? Is that what you still want to claim?
No, I mean, I've discussed my case with people and I have notes and stuff written on my papers, but I didn't ask anybody to do any of that. I assure you. I mean, I'll take the fault for it happening, but I didn't ask anybody to do that on my behalf.
Yet this person just happened to know her email address.
It's written on my papers, like I had all.
Why is her email address written on your papers,
I had
sir?
written down a bunch of different information so that I'd gotten out of my phone when I was arrested. So, and then you told me that in arraignment, so I didn't.
Sir. Ms. Bain is listed as a victim in this matter where you're charged with assault, intent to great bodily harm, less than murder, and domestic violence. And you wrote down her email address and phone so that you could still
That was
potentially have information as to how to contact her.
that was before I was arraigned, and you told me not to do that, but it was on my papers, yes, ma'am.
So then why don't you cross it off?
I didn't think that far ahead, I guess. I surely
Did you
will.
have other email addresses listed, sir?
My brother's, my mom's,
Okay, those are all on your paper?
yeah.
Okay, so how would he have known to email her specifically to say that?
Because we discussed what I was going through, and I referenced her by name, so I'm sure that's probably how. It won't happen again. Like I said, I couldn't take fault for it, but I didn't instruct him to do that.
So as this is not before the court on a bond violation per se, if there's one more inkling that you have had anything to do with any communication with Ms. Bain, sir, all of your communication modes while in the jail will be revoked.
Yes, ma'am.
All of those privileges will be revoked. Anything else, counsel?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Bonding conditions are continued.
Thanks for watching Verdict Watch. New court drama every day. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a case. Leave a comment with your thoughts. We're watching too.